Okay, it's August the 20th now, and I'm getting ready to turn on my kiln for a best firing. And I didn't show you what I have loaded, but you'll get to see it when it opens back up. I have stoneware in the bottom, and I have some low fire on the top. I told you in a previous video that I would be showing you some low fire glazes over the top of some stoneware. This will be a one-time firing, which means I am turning the kiln on at 06 for me to best fire my stoneware, and that happens to be the same cone that you would use to glaze your low fire pieces. So while the stoneware is baking, the low fire glazers are going to bake. The only difference is this is not low fire clay, so we're going to see what happens to the clay. I'll see what happens to the glazes on the clay, so wish me luck. We'll see what happens, and if it doesn't turn out, it'll be okay. These are just little pottery shards, like I said, that Greta had tried, and I thought, well, why throw them back in the dump pan? I thought I'd do a little experiment. So we'll see you in the next clip. Thanks for watching.